How to create Supercell account. Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel How to Tutorials. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create Supercell account. Supercell account, also known as Supercell ID, allows you to save your game progress across different devices. Create a Supercell ID or account. You will need to first launch any Supercell games such as Clash Royale, Clash of Clans, Brawl Stars or Heyday. Here I am using Heyday game. First of all, open your Heyday game application on your device. And once you have opened the application, here in the game, you will find 3 horizontal bars at the left side. Tap on those 3 horizontal bars and from here select settings. Once you tap on settings, you will find this pop-up on your screen. Here at the top right, you will be able to see login button. Now you will need to tap on this login button. And now here you will be able to see register a Supercell ID option. Go ahead and select this option. Now here you will be able to see this interface on your screen. In order to create Supercell ID, first of all, you will need to add a valid email address. Tap on this continue button and then now in this page, in the text box, enter your email address. After entering the email address, in the second box, the email address will be automatically entered. Once after doing that, if you want to get news and updates from Supercell, you can tap on this checkbox. If not, you can just leave it as it is. After that, tap on this register button at the bottom right. And now a verification code will be sent to your email address. You will need to wait for the code and once you get that code, enter it in this field. After entering the code, here tap on the submit button. Wait for a while until it verifies and after that you will see you have successfully created Supercell ID. Now you can tap on this OK button and here now you will need to create a new name. Tap on this OK button, enter a new name and tap on this continue button. Here you will be asked to select your avatar and then tap on this continue button below. Now your account is all set. You can check your Supercell ID by tapping on the settings icon and then here you'll be able to see your Supercell ID. So by following these steps, you should be able to create Supercell account. I hope this tutorial was helpful. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also hit that bell icon to never miss any updates from us. Thank you for watching.